Welcome back to the Ghana Travel Channel. This is the first part where we will explore Voyager of the Sea cruise ship. In the next video, we will see food, activity, and event on the Voyager of the Seas. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when I posted the new video. It's time to do the mandatory master drill. You can check the schedule on your cruise compass that is available in your room or guest service area. It will take around 15 until 30 minutes depend on how fast all passengers gather. The ship is leaving Marina Bay Pier, Singapore. After check-in, I suggest that you take lunch directly or you can explore the ship. You can go around the ship easily because there are maps and pointers on every floor. Let's go to the front of the ship. Let's go back to the room. We booked the cheapest one with twin bed with no windows. Quite comfortable. Very cute dog are using the towel. You can order breakfast from the room, but remember you will get extra charge when you order food in the midnight. No hanging clothes on the water sprinkler. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Next video will be activity and games at Voyager of the Seas. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I uploaded the video.